Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss one question asked at university examination where only material cost variances are asked. Let us understand how university questions are to be attempted, workings to be done, and to be present our answer in the most appropriate way. Let us read question. From the following information, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance. Standard material for a unit 8 kgs. Standard rate per kg 3 rupees 20 paise. Standard rate per kg rupees 3.20 paise. Actual production 22,500 units. Actual material used 1,75,000 kg. Actual rate per kg 3 rupees 15 paise. Standard quantity required for actual output. Standard material for a unit 8,000 kg. Actual production 22,500 units. For 1 unit of output, input required standard 8 kgs. For 22,500 units, how much input is required? It is 1,80,000 kgs. Computation of material cost variances. Material cost variance is equal to standard quantity multiplied by standard rate minus actual quantity multiplied by actual rate. Standard quantity we have calculated 1,80,000 kg. Actual material used, actual quantity 1,75,000 kg. Standard rate 3 rupees 20 paise. Actual rate 3 rupees 15 paise. Let us find out the answer. Standard quantity 1,80,000 kg multiplied by standard rate 3 rupees 20 paise minus actual quantity 1,75,000 kg multiplied by actual rate 3 rupees 15 paise. Five lakh 76,000 minus 5,51,250. It is 24,750 favorable. Material usage variance is equal to standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity. Here standard quantity is 1,80,000, actual quantity is 1,75,000. Here actual price, actual rate is 3 rupees 15 paise. Standard price 3 rupees 20 paise. Standard quantity 1,80,000 minus actual quantity 1,75,000. It is 16,000 favorable. Material price variance, actual quantity 1,75,000. Standard price 3 rupees 20 paise. Actual price 3 rupees 15 paise. Material price variance, actual quantity multiplied by standard price minus actual price, we are getting 8,750 favorable. We can verify material cost variance is equal to material usage variance plus material price variance rupees 16,000 plus 8,750, 24,750 favorable. 24,750 favorable. Already we have calculated material cost variance. In this question we have learned how to write answers when material cost variance is asked in university type of questions. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.